So welcome back everybody to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be going to restock my full line vending machine and see how much money this machine has made. I've not been to the machine in only about 5 days, so I'm not expecting a lot, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to take to fill the machine up, and I'm also going to show you how to actually restock and open up a vending machine. So stick along and let's see what I'm going to take. So this is the drink selection. We've got the Red Bull, the Oasis, the Yazoo, the new Starbucks drinks we picked up at Costco a few days ago, and now I'm going to get the snacks for the machine. And in terms of snacks, this is all we need for today: some nuts, Maltesers, Twixes, Mars bar, and that's it. As you can see, we're all loaded up and ready to go. So we've just filled up the machine. I'm going to show you what it looks like completely full. Then I'm going to reset the cash collection so it knows I've taken the cash, and show you how much money I've made on this. And then I'll turn it back on and we'll see it in all its glory. Healthy amount of coins there, but remember, most of my sales are actually a card. I've also just checked the change of the machine and that's still reasonably full, so we're okay on that. And now we're going to power back on the machine and update the Nayax card reader. Another tip is to make sure they're all facing the correct way, so I'm going to make sure and turn all the bottles round. We can also see that my Pringles machine that's also installed here is getting empty as well, so that's a good sign. So now what we're going to do is we're going to reset the cache in the machine. So that sends all the details to the app, and now it should zero out any cache sales. Done. Another important tip is branding. Always make sure to look presentable when offering the vending machine or just filling them up. just finished filling up the vending machine. All stocked up, all faced the right way. We've updated the Nayax app, collected all the cash, and I'm going to show you how much it made when we get back. Something else I'd recommend is a truck to carry your stock on. I got this one from Costco. I think it was about £45 or so, but definitely worth it. So we just got back from filling up the vending machine and collecting its cash. In total, I can tell you it did about £26 in cash sales, but we've done well over £100 in credit card sales. So that's how much it's made. I'm also going to show you here how I update the amount of stock in the machine on the Nayax app. As you can see here, it shows me increasing the stock, which correlates to what I've just put in the machine. And then every time there's a sale, it deducts it from the Nayax app. So it's really useful, so you know exactly how much to take when filling up your machine, so you don't have to bring all your stock. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you were able to see how to restock a full line vending machine and how much it may possibly make. I'm going to be bringing out a video shortly on how much a vending machine business actually turns over and show you in-depth profit figures, because a lot of YouTubers just show how much it brings in, but it's not all profit. So I'll be bringing that out soon, and there'll be more videos to come, so please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.